Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy here at the end of September. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is green. We are up about 1.39%. We see our top gainer here, which is up about 34.8%. Our highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin with Ethereum right behind it. So actually, we've seen this Bitcoin movement here Sunday morning and Ethereum as well. Pretty much the same pattern here going into the morning. Everything started to have an uptrend. So that is a beautiful thing to see here going to Sunday and potentially Monday. So Bitcoin is up 1.4%. We see Ethereum up about 2.8% or so. Cardano's down 4%, and it seems like all these other altcoins are either flat, down a little bit, or up a little bit, depending on which one we're looking at. But everything is pretty much all over the place, with some being green, some being red. It's a game of a gamble, I guess you could say. So guys, before we get into this countdown, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links going to be in the description for that as well. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Uniswap, also known as Uni. So as we see here in the past 24 hours, this one is up about 19.5%, trading at right around its $23 range. We saw it here pretty much Sunday morning go from $18 all the way to highs of about $23. So in a matter of about 4 hours or so, we've seen this movement, which is a beautiful movement, obviously, about a $4 or $5 movement. So market cap right now on this one is 14.3 billion. Volume is a lot higher than usual, over 1.2 billion right there, 231% higher than usual. And then the typical hold time is 28 days. On the 1 week chart, we're actually down about 5.5%. On the past 1 month, we're down about 14%. And then on the 1 year chart, we are up over 375%. As this coin was trading at around $4 last September, we hit highs here in May at around $45, pulling back all the way down to about $14 or so in July, and then ever since then we actually pulled back up, hit highs of about $30, and now we're in a consolidation period with a little bit of a downtrend. So there's always an opportunity right now for this coin right here. So trading activity right now, 67% buy, 20 or 33% sell. It is ranked the number 9 coin on the list with the all-time highs at 44.96. So about Uniswap a little bit, guys. So for those of you guys who aren't familiar, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. Now, how does all this work? Well, Uniswap pioneered the automated market maker model in which users supply Ethereum tokens to Uniswap liquidity pools, and algorithms set market prices. So as opposed to the order books, which match bids and asks on centralized exchanges like Coinbase. So by supplying tokens to Uniswap liquidity pools, users can earn rewards while enabling peer-to-peer trading. Anyone anywhere can supply tokens to liquidity pools, trade tokens, or even create a list of their own tokens using Ethereum's ERC-20 protocol. Now, there are currently hundreds of tokens available on Uniswap, and some of them the most popular trading pairs are stable coins like USDC and wrapped coin WBTC. You guys can obviously check that out. So keep in mind, DEXs have a range of risks, so do your research. Impairment loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token, so watch out for rug pulls as well. It is a dangerous thing. Obviously, you might see some scams out there. Obviously, maybe there's some big celebrity out there that's planning on getting in on it, and then there's a rug pull. When everybody gets in, they get out, and you guys get stuck with the coins as it crashes on lower. So you have to be careful with things like that. But Uniswap, definitely one of those popular coins to keep an eye out on, and take a look for any dip buying opportunities, for potential hold opportunities in the future, as I see potential for this one to keep on growing, as the market cap is only at around 14 billion. So I would not be surprised to see this one trading at $50 or even higher in the next few years. So definitely something interesting to watch with Uniswap. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin on this list is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So this one is one of those greener coins that we talked about a few months ago a lot, and ever since then we've seen a pullback and it's never recovered. So what's there to be looking at? Well, let's take a look. Right now we're pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. Went to lows of 103 at one point and came back up here at around a 9% gain. So we're at $1.13. In the past week we're down about 17%. Past month 26%, and then on the 1 year chart we're up over 5,867%. So this one last October was trading at 2 cents. So just imagine if you would have bought $1,000 worth of this, and you'd be up about 5,800% right now. Those would be some insane gains right there. This coin here, when we saw the huge hype in May around the green coins, alternative coins, based off of what Bitcoin was doing, when Elon Musk said that Bitcoin wasn't going to be accepted anymore for Tesla, a lot of people started to transition into green coins, and that's when Polygon hit highs of 283 from lows of $1. Then we pulled back down and came back up really quickly. And then we obviously saw the crypto crash where everything pulled back down for a couple months, and we went back to 69 cents, a little bit lower than that in July, with a comeback here, consolidation around this 150 area, and now we're in a little bit of a downtrend, so there's definitely potential for upswing. So 7.6 billion market cap right now. Volume at 745 million. Typical hold time 73 days. 65% buy, 35% sell. It is ranked the number 16 coin on our list. So Polygon, this one is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that are run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So how does all this work? Well, let's picture this. Picture Polygon as being an express train on a subway. It travels along the same route as the regular train, but it makes fewer stops and thus moves much faster. So to create new Matic and secure the network, Polygon uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism, which means that one way you earn more money on Matic, you hold via staking. So validators do the heavy lifting. They verify new transactions and add them to the blockchain. In exchange, they may receive a cut of fees and newly created Matic. Becoming a validator is a commitment that requires running a full-time node or a computer and staking your own Matic. If you make an error or act maliciously, you can lose some of your staked Matic. So delegators down here stake their Matic indirectly via the trusted validator. There is a much lower commitment version of staking, but it still requires research. If the validators you pick act maliciously or makes errors, you can lose some of or all of your staked Matic. Now, keep in mind with this, the Polygon network allows you to do many things, many of the same things the main Ethereum network allows, but with fees that are often a fraction of a cent. You can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap, SushiSwap, yield generating, lending, and saving protocols like Aave, NFT markets like OpenSea, or even no loss prize games like Pool Together. So to try the Polygon network, you need to send some crypto to the compatible crypto wallet like Coinbase wallet. You can then bridge some of the crypto. Stablecoins are a popular choice for this to the Polygon network. You'll also need to bridge some Matic to make transactions, but even $1 worth is plenty because fees are so low on there, fractions of a penny. So Polygon, definitely interesting, definitely something interesting to keep in mind here, especially with it being a little bit of a greener coin. I see a bright future with this one, especially with the market cap only at 7.6 billion. This one could easily 10x and be trading at $10 in the next 5, 10, 15 years. So definitely a coin to be watching and see if it's worth the risk to add to your portfolio. So that's going to be our second coin. And then our third coin is going to be FTX Token, FTT, a token I don't believe we've ever talked about it on our channel. This one is up about 10%, trading at $56.98. In the past week, we're down 10%. And then on the 1 month chart, we're up 15%. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 1,416%. This coin was trading around $3, $3.60 last year. We went to highs of about $60, pulled back down with the market to about $22, and then we skyrocketed on higher all the way to highs of about $85 from that low of $20. So about 250% gain here in a matter of a month or and a half. So market cap 6.9 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours is going to be at 983 million. All-time high is around $85 per coin. So things are definitely moving with this coin, and it is a coin that I'm interested in right now. With the market cap being around 7 billion, I could definitely see some more potential, and this coin could easily be trading at $100 or higher in the near future. So it's definitely one that I'm going to be watching and keeping an eye out on to see how it's going to perform as the rest of the crypto either goes up or down. So those are the 3 crypto coins that we're watching right now, guys. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. So Bitcoin up about 1.4%. Yesterday we were trading at 42,000, went down all the way to lows of about 40,800 here at one point. Then we made an uptrend here all the way to highs of 43, 44 almost at one point. Now we're in a consolidation area here on Sunday. So in the past week we're down 10%, past month down 11%, and then on the 1 year chart we're up over 303%, 815.5 billion market caps, 34% of the crypto market, and it's 85 typical hold time days, 67% buy, 33% sell. Bitcoin's looking okay right now. We might be in a little bit of a consolidation period for a while, but we're hoping for another uptrend going into the fall and the winter. So Ethereum, same pattern, same situation, trading at $3,000, went to lows down here of 2,700 and then came back up Sunday morning. We are up about 2.7%. In the past week, we're down 12%. Past month, down 6%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 749%. So this one's making a nice move here. 354.3 billion market cap, which is about 15% of the crypto market. 82-day typical hold time. 68% buy, 32% sell. Ethereum is doing very well right there, consolidating just like Bitcoin. Then we have Doge, the meme, still trading around this 21 cents area. Went to lows down here of about 19 cents actually. So this one, lows were about 16 cents here before. We went up to highs of 34 cents, and we've been talking about this one just being a meme, and then we think this one is kind of game over. We hit lows of 19 cents just right there today. So imagine what happens if we go into a bear market. This coin is going under 10 cents, and it's going to be worthless, in my opinion, in the future. 27 billion market cap, but it's only going to continue to go lower and lower. We saw the hype happen here with this one in the beginning of 2021, but I think it's time for people to get out of Doge, in my opinion, and start trading some better coins, because this coin has no value to us. It's just a meme. And I think that most people are done with it, as everybody understands what happened there. It was kind of like a pump and dump situation we saw here at the beginning of the year until about May, and then everything started to taper off. So obviously that's how the market's performing, guys. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen with the crypto market going into the rest of next weekend? How is China going to affect our prices as well? Leave a comment below letting me know. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description for that as well. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so speak to your financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. There's always a high risk, high reward type situation trading crypto, so speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.